They will be forced to put respect on your name. They wanted to cause tower moments in your life. And they wanted to see if you were to succumb to their maneuvers. I.e., they wanted to see if you would try and take shortcuts. If you would play tit for tat in their low vibrational swamp of misery and toxicity. And you didn't. You chose the right path. You chose to stay on the right side. You chose to stick to your morals. You chose to lean upon your strengths and didn't use their noise as a distraction. Again, maybe in the past you did, but you realize where this noise was coming from. It was coming from their insecurities to try and steer you off your path. They're very shocked that you stood firm and strong in your spot because you know who you are, and they wanted you to forget who you are. They will put respect on your name because what they put you through, you have overcome. And for some of you, these individuals knew that you were coming from some type of pain, and they still wanted to enforce burdens upon you to break you down, to make you stop going after your goals, to make you stop expressing your creativity, to make you stop loving yourself or others. They were very strategic, but not strategic enough because they exposed themselves countless times. So you may have played as if you were unaware of what they were doing. And these individuals were so reckless. And they wanted you to be as reckless as them. They wanted you to miss out on opportunities. Fearful of your determination. Fearful that you are going to receive the 10 of Cups. They will put respect in your name because despite what they put you through, you will receive the dream life that you wanted. Maybe with a person that they didn't want you to have. They did not want you to experience true love. They tried to sabotage your connections, tried to sabotage your work, tried to push you out of environments, leading to their own demise. So busy trying to focus on what you're doing that they didn't realize that the spotlight was on them. They will put respect on your name because they will see you move towards your victory. Everything that they didn't want for you, whilst they will still be stuck in a cycle of unhealed trauma that they tried to leverage at you. They will put respect on your name because they will see how you transformed out of the misery and despair that you have endured, especially with them adding to it. You see, some of these individuals, like I said before, they knew that you were coming out of a situation that was very tumultuous. And if they were to walk a mile in your shoes, they wouldn't be able to cope. But still, they wanted to add to your plate. And you're going to show these individuals that you are cut from a different cloth, my darling, because the transformation that you have gone through or that you will go through may near enough scare these individuals because they'll be thinking, after everything that I did to slow them down, to make them leave a job, to make them feel isolated, it didn't work. No, you alchemized whatever they threw at you and you turned it into power. You see, you are powerful. These individuals are dealing with a different force. You are working alongside with spirit. You are channeling spirit. A spirit that these individuals are now fearful of. Your ancestors are protecting you. And these individuals have never come across a force like you before. And now they're in fear. Some of these individuals planted seeds and waited to see if these seeds will transpire in your life. But what they get to witness is that you are free. They wanted to bind you, and you have removed yourself from these individuals. They will put respect on your name because these individuals thought that you will be codependent. They tried to manipulate you. They tried to make you believe that they were the only ones that cared. And to know that you are independent and you are moving away from them, and you are connecting with others, it's making this person respect you, even though they don't want to. They try to be a third party for some of you in a love situation, or they try to turn a community against you. Now they're realizing that the community they try to turn against you are your fans. The love partner they try to lure away from you is not interested in their manipulation or games, or that person has woken up to their manipulation. You see, these individuals didn't realize that their games were leaving a lot of trails of exposure. They thought they were smart, but not that smart. They thought that they had won. They thought that they had isolated you. They wanted you to believe that no one wanted you, no one found you attractive. And they have to put respect on your name, reluctantly, because they are now thinking, how did you do it? How did you outsmart them? You see, these individuals are able to outsmart a lot of people. They may have done so in the past, but it stopped with you. They took your kindness for weakness, your quietness for someone that's submissive or unintelligent. But you are extremely intelligent. You can read the room. And they are wondering how you did it. How did you maneuver around their plots, plans and schemes? And on top of that, become victorious. On top of that, you're still confident. On top of that, you're still expressing yourself. On top of that, you're still receiving the love that they try to deter and block away from you. On top of that, you're still loving yourself. These people are going to need your help to understand how to get themselves out of the misery that they created for themselves, because they are going to now want to learn from you. How did you do it? How did you become so victorious after all the hell that I tried to push into your life? I want to be on the happy side, which is your side, which is why they actually targeted you in the first place, because you shine. No. Spirit will not allow it. Your energy field will be blocked from these individuals. They'll be desperate to try and align with you. They'll be desperate to try and invest in a partnership with you, a friendship with you, but it's too late. They chose the time with you to try to destroy you. And Spirit is saying now it's their turn. However, they will respect you, and they do respect you. They wanted people to look down on you, but what they will witness is that people will continue to look up to you, will continue to like you, will continue to love you, and will continue to respect you. And for some of them, their reputation will be in question. What they wanted for you is the jail that they are going to live in. They wanted you to have a ruined reputation, have a loss of friends, loss of love, some type of lack mentality. They wanted you to lose your light. But Spirit is saying, what you put out, you will have to live in. And any projections that they try to project your way will ricochet right back. And they will have to put respect on your name, because in their head, how did you do it? How did you get all this abundance? My darling, you are abundant. These individuals were working on demon time. These individuals were trying to project onto you when they were empty within. And the more high vibrational you remained, the more their attacks did not affect you. The more vigilant you were to their attacks, the more you were able to act accordingly. And they feel as though you are a genius. You must be otherworldly, from another place. It's simply because you stay connected to spirit. You worked with spirit. You stayed in tune with yourself, which allow these individuals to fall into their own trap. So keep shining, butterflies, wherever you go. You or the people of the signs Aries, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, Cancer, Aquarius, Gemini, Virgo, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith could be very important in this reading. Either your sign or the individuals who have got the utmost respect for you now. Now, you may not hear it in word, but trust me, you'll see it in action. Whether it means they want to align with you, they may want to befriend you, because they're going to feel like you've got the juice, you've got the sauce. You've got the keys to the streets. You know how to do this thing called life. You're just trying like everyone else. And because their plans have failed in regards to stopping and blocking you, they're going to feel like, I need to align with this one. They can generate a lot of attention. They can get the love that they deserve and that they want. Whether or not they feel like you deserve the love is another story for another reading. But they will see you as the good luck charm. And they will experience many pitfalls in their life, all because of their own doing. And they will feel as if I connect with you, it may clear up my karma. But spirit has seen everything. And that's the difference between you and them. What you have gone through, they would not be able to cope with. And now that they are experiencing the pitfalls of their actions, or they will do, they will not be able to contend with. That's why they will want to realign with you. They try to sabotage your work, your job. They will face many pitfalls in their own career for you to witness. And they're going to feel as if the world is over. Whereas with you, you went within, you worked on yourself, and you thought, okay, what do I need to do? And you came back stronger than ever. They ain't built like that. And that's why they're going to respect you, because they had a hand, for some of you, in certain unfortunate circumstances that happened in your career. And it's going to happen to them. And they will not be able to cope. They will not be mentally equipped to deal with what you had to go through. And that's when they're going to realize how much they respect you.